okay, this is something very serious. If you guys have any Manchester United fans as friends, family, husband, wife, colleagues, or anybody that you know of, please, like, it's a request, take care of them. They must not be in very good mental health space right now, because when you think of it, Scott McTominay is the MVP of Syria this year. It's amazing, it's crazy what Scott McTominay has done. He's just won the league with Napoli. ऊपर से सोने पे सुहागा हुआ, Lukaku, who was ex-Manchester United player, also scored the goal. My goodness, they just lost the Europa League. They're having one of the worst seasons ever, and their ex-Manchester United players are doing so well, so damn well. Rashford, Anthony, Scott McTominay, like, just jahan dekho, they're doing so well. They must not be in best of health, so please take care of them. वैसे दोस्तों कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope well and good. You know what? That is the most important thing that matters. Napoli has just won the Scudetto, and you just look at the Napoli fans. Naples looks amazing. Like, that is one place I wish I could have been there. Of course, pehla place would be Liverpool, because the way Liverpool is going to celebrate today, I'm very excited about that. Not today, but tomorrow. Sorry, tomorrow. Tomorrow is the match. I just can't wait to see the celebration at Liverpool. But Naples knows how to celebrate the title. So this is the 4th league title that Napoli has won. But what a tough fight it was. End तक लग रहा था इंटर जीतेगा, फिर लग रहा था नापोली लास्ट डे तक डिसाइड हो रहा है. एंड इंटर के लिए आई एम रियली फीलिंग बैड. आई एम फीलिंग बैड बिकॉज एज अ लिवरपूल फैन आई नो हाउ सैड दैट इज टू लूज द लीग फ्रॉम 1 point. बट स्टिल इंटर हैज़ अ लॉट टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. पहले इंटर के बारे में थोड़ा बात कर देते हैं, फिर नापोली के बारे में पूरा वीडियो बात करेंगे. इंटर मिलान कोपा इटालिया से बाहर हुआ. AC मिलान ने बाहर किया उनको. 3-0 स्कोर लाइन था इन सेमीफाइनल्स. सो दैट वॉज द थिंग दैट दे कुड हैव वन दिस सीजन, बिकॉज इंटर हैज़ बीन क्रेजी अमेजिंग दिस सीजन भाई. Then you think of it, they have just lost the Serie A title that they could have won, but because of the past matches, they could not just get through the line. They did not do that. Now they have the biggest trophy to fight for, and that is the Champions League against PSG. This is a wonderful chance to reclaim the season that they have had, because they have been so good. But Napoli was better, a bit better in the Serie A title. Thinking about this, just imagine Antonio Conte's first season. He comes on, he loses 2 of the best players that Napoli has, or maybe the Serie A has, that is Kvaratskhelia to PSG, and then he lost his striker Victor Osimhen as well. Still, he managed to win the league title. Still, he did that. He did that. It's wonderful. It's amazing what he has done in the first season with Napoli. It's crazy good. And what he has got out of Scott McTominay. He found the potential that this guy has. He had been in Manchester United. That is the only club that he has played for. And he has given 20 years to the club. Then he just leaves it to, change the scenario or whatever. Then he comes to Napoli, and this is what he does. He scored 12 goals, 4 assists this season. And he is the MVP of Serie A this season. This is what Scott McTominay has done. Just imagine, could not see that Scott McTominay at Manchester United. 25.7 million euros में खरीदा था Scott McTominay, and it's nothing. It's nothing compared to what he has been for Napoli this season. भाई पहले सीजन में आते ही क्या ताबड़तोड़ खेला है Scott McTominay, and kudos. And I think we have to give credit to Antonio Conte in this, to get the best out of Scott McTominay. The way he made the team according to Scott McTominay, to see the abilities that he could have, the best midfielder there. And also he's the top scoring midfielder of Serie A this season. And thinking about the way match unfolded, Napoli was trying so hard. इतना attacking football खेल रहा था, because of course it's do or die situation. You can't do anything about it. Last day पे जब title decide होता है, it's amazing. Like, it's crazy. And जो लोग इसमें involved होते हैं ना भाई, वो लोगों की तो फट रही होती है clearly. Now I understand what Inter is going through. By that I understand much more than I understand what Napoli has done, because we have been in that tight title race for 2 seasons against Manchester City. We were on the other end, yaar. We were on the other line of the spectrum, yaar. We did what Inter did, like lost the league from 1 point, and twice that too. मतलब सोचो ना, Klopp could have won 3 league titles and maybe could have won 2 Champions League trophies, but that's not what happened, of course we know. So I really feel for Inter Milan to lose the league like that. But like I'm saying that again and again, what Antonio Conte has done to get the best out of the team that he has, because the team was so dependent on Kvaratskhelia as well. But him leaving in January transfer window to PSG, can't even imagine. They finished 10th last season. They lost 2 of their key players, and then also they managed to win the Serie A title. Oof, these are the stories that we live for as neutral football fans, I would say, because for Liverpool, I think I would not have it any other way. I'm so happy that we had the lead, because ये जो end तक का एक रहता है ना, हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, and all the ambitions and everything that goes with it, and all your hopes when they are crushed, it's too much. I'm just happy the way we have won the league with the point gap and everything. I would go for that for my club, but for others, I would want the drama. I would want all this, nail-biting race that goes till the last of the match. This is what I want. But कल काफ़ी कुछ डिसाइड होने वाला है प्रीमियर लीग में कि कौन टॉप 4-5 में फिनिश करने वाला है. वहाँ पे टाइट रेस चल रहा है. Let's see what will happen in that or not. But right now, what Napoli has done, everybody has to speak of that, because it's crazy. Scott McTominay's first season, but he has already become the legend at the club. This is what this guy has done. इस तरीके से overnight चीज़ें बदल जाती है, जज्बात बदल जाते हैं. This is what has happened with Scott McTominay as well. But it's not overnight. He has done really, really well in this particular season, and thanks to Antonio Conte for that. So that is the video, guys. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.